What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Square Photography, bringing you back another video today. Now, today I got an unboxing slash I got a new product in. It's been long awaiting. I'm so freaking excited about this, and I really cannot wait to show you this, guys. I'm excited. Now, as you know, I have been doing a lot of video portraits lately, and I absolutely love doing those video portraits. And of course, I've been doing a lot of my video portraits on the gimbal, which is right behind me, as you can see. And I like using the gimbal. It's not a, I love it, but at the same time, I do sometimes want a little lighter setup and to do handheld work, but I never really had a chance to get handheld footage. I tried a couple of times a video portrait. I did try to use this handheld footage with the it did not work out very well. It was shaky as crap. So that led me to get a freaking cage. Now, bingo, not just any cage. This is the brand new release. Just got it in today, April the 5th. Just came in today. I had this thing pre-ordered since maybe, probably back in February, maybe. I pre-ordered this thing back in February. So it came in today, and I'm super duper excited about it because now I finally have a cage for, of course, this beast of a master right here. So now I'm going to unbox it a little bit, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to set it up and show you how it's going to work. But I am definitely really excited that I finally got it in. So let's just go ahead and get into the unboxing. Let's just go ahead and go over to the table, and now we're going to do the unboxing. Now, guys, I absolutely love keeping my boxes, so I don't like damaging them or anything of that nature. So I always like taking my time of getting these things open, and I don't like making a mess as well either. So that's another thing too. I don't like making a mess. So I'm gonna try to do this as nice as possible. Go ahead and show you what comes in this box. All right, that is everything that's coming into this box right here. So that looks pretty, pretty standard stuff, Also, guys, this is my very first time putting the cage together. So I'm more excited about this than anything. Let's see here, of course, looks like the handle. Obviously, this handle's really nice. Feels pretty good. I got big hands, so that was always my biggest thing about getting these things, because I got really big hands. So this is pretty nice. I like the handle. And again, guys, I guess I didn't say this in the beginning, but I did purchase this of my own money, so this was not sent to me. So get this bad, Jimmy. Like I said, I'm trying to keep everything. Again, this cage is super light too, man. And here is the handle. Oh yeah, this handle feels pretty good. I used Togg's handle when I was out in WPPI and his rigs, and I really got used to what he was doing. So this feels good in the hand. Well, again, my hands are pretty freaking big, guys. So as you can see, I'm already covering that whole entire thing. You can barely see it. So I got really large hands. I know this. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this thing together. So this is everything that came inside here. Again, I already have a couple of things I'm gonna use for the top handle so I can keep my switching as well. Like, I'll probably use this. That's gonna be to do my Ninja Atomos. Again, these are quick release. I got this on my Ninja Atomos, and I got this on a few other things. So therefore, I like to try to do everything as quick as possible. Like I don't want to try to screw things in. So all my gear is just made around like quick release plates of some sort or another. So this is what I'm probably going to use to put the Atomos on. So yeah, this is pretty nice stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and put it on right now, actually. So now I have done setting this thing up. It was actually pretty easy. Let you see it right here. Sorry, I don't have the wide enough lens, but just give you what's going on here. Here's the side handle. This is 35 1.2. There it is on the side for you. It's a really nice handle. It's my quick release plate I put on the bottom of this. The top handle, and of course the Ninja Atomos right here. So this is now my handheld setup. I'm gonna turn around so I come over here, look at is my handheld setup now, guys. Now, very, very simple, not too much. Finally got a cage, so it's not really, it's just very, very simple. I think 9 times out of 10, the only thing I'm really having a problem with, as you can see, let me see, right here, like I have really big hands. So as you can see, I can't really demonstrate it like that, but as you can see, I get on that cord and there's the cord right here. So like my thumb, we put it in reverse. Let's see here. So I'm going to hold it, something like of that nature, if you can see this. All right, so I got the wire here, and I'm going to hold it right here where my thumb, where I'm about to hold that wire. Lightweight, I like the little handle here. Again, this is just big hand problems. Even with my handle right here, my knuckle is hitting that right there, so it's gonna graze it. But like when I initially go in there and bend my knuckles, like I hit it, so therefore I can adjust it. But other than that, it's like I'm going to keep that out the way, kind of certain of that way, because when I come straight in, my initial thing, you can see it's hitting it right there. Like there's no getting around that. So I just have to, like, once I do that, I just gotta reposition my hand so my knuckle could be about right here. But this is the handheld setup I'm gonna go with. Once again, this is a 3512 right here. This is more than likely what I'm always going to use. And I like it because the reason why I wanted the handheld, because I knew I had the 3512, and I've already done a couple video portraits and reels with this 3512, so I absolutely love the look out of it, man. I'm talking about, man, when you talking about blowing the background out, man, and get that environment, this 3512 is it, man. But this is the rig, so I'm really, really enjoying it. Like I said, I got the Ninja on here. I just got the quick release plate, as you can see. So when I need to get up done, unscrew this. Is a really, really easy breakdown as well, because I do is get the Allen wrench. This is a NATO crimp, so you just unscrew that, take it down, take the NATO crimp off. I can put it up right on my gimbal. Yeah, bro, I'm just really excited, man, because like I said, I love doing video portraits now. If y'all have any handheld setups that y'all like to share, please let me know in the comment below. If you like my handheld setup that I've now got, I finally got a cage, let me know. And also, if you enjoy my work, please consider yourself subscribing to my channel. And to the next video. Peace. Excited.